Hey, good afternoon, guys. We're going to go over our Forex trades for today. Don't mind my voice, fighting allergies, turn into infection, my sinuses. But we'll go over the trades here. We had three, pulled out 8.8 pips. A little choppy day. Economic news. It was news from China overnight. They're going to be taking measures to help add liquidity to their economy and boost their economy. So that helped with global markets. Um, Janet Yellen was speaking this morning at 8:30, which we had a trade around. She didn't really say anything of any consequences. And then 10 o'clock was manufacturing data, which we'd want to trade around as well. That's not really that big of a number. I mean, it can move things. I mean, you got to be aware of it. Let's see. So we had three trades. We'll go over them in no particular order. We pulled out 8.8 pips. First, what you're looking at here is U.S. dollar, Japanese yen. We were long this 118.365. Just for our scalp, we picked up 4.9 pips. This was last evening, as a matter of fact. And you can see what it did here for hours on end. It consolidated. And then I guess this was around 2 o'clock in the morning or so. It started to rally here, the U.S. dollar. So, like I said, we picked up 4.9 pips. Just look for a quick scalp. You can see the area of congestion here. So this was right off of our indicator. So this one really didn't need to be announced because guys are using the indicator. Second trade you're looking at here is euro yen. We were long this 148.023. Never went in our favor. The short-term trend here, if you were to look at a 5-minute chart, you'll see these higher highs and higher lows, and it's just trending north. So on a little bit of a pullback, we took it long, assuming that trend would continue, and obviously, as you see there, it did not. We had a stop of 147.85, 0.84 area, but I'll show you what we did. We were also, after we were long this for probably half an hour, 45 minutes or so, we got a signal to go long New Zealand dollar, US dollar, which worked out nicely. We were actually up more on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar than we were down on the euro to yen. So when we got out of the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, we took the loss on euro yen. Consequently, on the two trades, making a few pips. So this trade cost us 10.7, and this is the trade I was referencing, the New Zealand dollar to the US dollar. Okay, let me go back here. The euro yen, this was announced as well, so everyone knew. It was announced ahead of time. And New Zealand dollar, US dollar was also announced ahead of time, probably an hour or so ahead of time. We got long this 0.77862. Really close to the bottom. We were thinking it might come closer to 80. We grabbed 862. Nice pop. We sold out right around the figure. As you know, we're not fans of figures. Picked up 14.6 pips. So as you remember, this euro to yen, we were down 10.7. So we actually liquidated this one first, picked up the 14.6, and then blasted out of this, lost 10.7. Consequently, picking up somewhere around 4 pips after those two trades. Unfortunately, we were in this one. If we weren't in this one and we were only in the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, it would have been a really solid day. Of course, after we got out, this thing started to run. Ran up to 8 or 9 or 10, held a little bit, and then popped all the way up to 16 or 17 thereabouts. So if you were in this, you had a lot of opportunity to make some really good money on that trade. So that's it. 3 trades, 8.8. Going to wrap it up for the day, for the morning. We'll be looking to trade later this evening. If any signals come out during the day that we coming your way, there was no swing trade signals, so none went out so far yet today. And that's it. So, like I said, if any signals come out, they'll be coming your way. If you're trading now, good luck. And we'll be back tomorrow, assuming we get some action tonight and or tomorrow morning. Have a great rest of your day.